Ma MK amahle sanibonani kumgqibelo i26 kaOctober maziyalo hayi majongo ayidumu kanjalo lokhu engizwe kuthiwa nikwenzela izolo abanye benu nahamba nayobhikisha unqamalala kule media briefing kade ibizile bizonondaba ukuzokwethula okusemthethweni abahola abasha bama province kuthiwa ke nafika ke lapho uyabona nizobhikisha kuthiwa nibhikishela ukuthi nina anikwanga ikhundla nithi ngoba nasebenza phambi kwama elections kufanele nithole ikhundla angazi bawa ntshela lokho lalane ke ngintshele njengomuntu omdala ngineluleke umshikashika ongena kuzidela awunamphumela a struggle without sacrifices is a useless struggle. It would not deliver. When you cannot sacrifice your time because you are committed to the greater cause, but when you want to sacrifice because of what is in it for you, engathithi unqamalala ube right umethi engathithi anibona balombutho anazi ukuthi ngikuplan khona sicela ke ukuthi ke sineluleke njengabantu abadala ayidumi kanjalo mayizosuka ayidumi kanjalo i-reward if any must be a consequence esenzakalelayo hayi uthi usebenza akusikona kwamlungu la seniyoma nine fasteleni nifuna ukuhola hayi bantu abami hayi ngicela ukunikuza buyisani izingqondo ya ngoba into edukile lahlekile la izingqondo buyisani izingqondo sekufanele nikhunjuzwe manje ukuthi umbutho is still in the building phase. Some bricks may not suit the purpose. Why can't you know that? Uma kukuthi ngempela niyayazi politiki. Sizoba nenkinga ama-careerists. Abantu behamba beyosebenza bebelinda imvilophi akuzukwenzeka kanjalo bantu abami but if anyone is to be rewarded noma ngayiphi indlela it will be because they are deserving of it not because they are entitled to it asiphumeni kwi-culture of entitlement izwe lethu lilale khona because we cannot make sacrifices beyond what we hope to get. Laba bandukisayo nize niyobhikisha badlala ngani siyazi ukuthi kusuka lapho bazobe ninika imali bathi niye emakhoti ngoba i-modus operandi yabo ba-operate kanjalo ngeshwa nibhekene noma kade bona emshikashikeni iningi lenu when you watch it your generation i-apartheid is a hearsay kunina coming to face with the ruthlessness of the apartheid system it's a hearsay kunina iningi lenu have no experience of carrying ibhasi. Iningi lenu have no experience uthi mawuhamba emgwaqeni kwi-pavement kufanele udedele umlungu kungenjalo ukududulele emgwaqeni. You have no experience of that. You have no experience of that. Suddenly you're making it appear like being an activist now is much more easier because there are rewards. We were activists when the risks were very high. That we have lived to tell the tale or the story today is a miracle. Niqhamukanina senithi obani laba abafika befakwe ekhundeni se kuukuthi uNqamalala wachaza what because baningi abathe bemzabalazweni besembuthweni sonke sasiyiseka babe safara bengaphathi ngoba sekungene isihlava kulo mbutho leyo. And those who were committed to the greater cause became unimportant or became irrelevant because ifocus besekuthena abantu bafuna ukuba comfortable in a normal situation. Sebefuna ukudla izimali without delivering ilokhunjana, without i-revolution delivering what our people were expecting on the ground. Aniboni ukuthi our struggle has not delivered. Codesa delivered election date. And the rest was simply cosmetic. I know because I lived through that era. I know because I watched when this ship was heading towards a cliff as it derailed from the main route. Nicabanga ukuthi uma sihamba la sinishiya niyoze nikhululeke with this mentality eninayo. Get mentality is the one which I would describe as a Dumkopf mentality. Iyeke lento buyisana amakhanda. Hambani yoxolisa. Uma ngabe kuukuthi ngempela nifuna ukuba lo mkhonto lo esikuwo manje. If ukuthi you are committed to the cause yalo mkhonto, unless you are prepared to submit to leadership, hayi sizonikeza ithikithi lokubuyela kwagogo isingile yabona ya nibuyele kwagogo ngempela hayi buyelani lapho ya la lemfish asizukuyimela it has no place. You don't know what it is to submit. Sicela nibuyisa amakhanda if you still want to be part of a true revolutionary. Angazi ukuthi nididwa yini ngempela. Nifuna ukuba seyindabeni ngoba engathethi into yenu kahle ile ukuba seyindabeni nibe semaphepheni yonke lento lena Dumkopf. Gade man. Gade. Sifuna ukunibekezelela but you must be deserving of it. Sifuna ukunibekezelela but you must be deserving of it. We're going to try to bring you in line. But should we get a sense that you are dangerous, we will remove you by any means necessary. Don't push us. Impi yethu ibhekene with the institutions of apartheid which are still very much intact. You don't know that.